Hello, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a hair transformation video. This is where we started. She has lovely natural hair. Her edges are struggling, but you can see the rest of the hair, and this is what we were able to come up with. It was just a playful hairstyle. I wanted it to be as colorful and as just playful for her. So I started off by detangling her hair, and then I sectioned it into four. Now the stitch braid technique I used here, I used the no comb, no fingernails method because I am really slow with the comb method. So this is the pre-section stitch braid method. I took out one of where I braided one of these her sections and explained it in detail in another video, which will be linked at the end of this one. If you want to see that technique, you can. And for the number 7 I braided on her hair, I also took out that section and explained how to braid number 7 and then how to accessorize it using the string to have those XXX on top of your number 7. And then I showed other ways you can braid number 7 and accessorize it in just a different video. I also have it linked at the end of this one, so you can watch that if you want. I just added this rubber band here to make it more colorful. I just wanted to play with rubber bands and she liked them, so she was choosing the colors that it was just fun. So if it looks too shine, leave it for us like that. That was what we wanted and that was what we went for. You might have seen her in the backgrounds of some of my videos when she's free or when it's time to play. Sometimes she comes to my store and uses my natural hair mannequin to practice. So you might have seen her in the background of some of my videos. So on this particular day, I was very free and she came around to play. Her hair wasn't done. She said her mom was going to do when she gets back from the market or something, or the next day. So I told her, ask your mom if I can make your hair. And her mom agreed. So here we are, making 200 styles on the hair. But she loved it. She was so excited. She really loved it. And I think my stitch braid came out beautiful. Our style came out beautiful. It was nice. So if you want to see those other cutouts, they will be linked at the end of this video. And well, if you have any question, just leave in the comment section and I'll get back to you. Thank you so much. Enjoy.